Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Open Photoshop and go to Edit Preferences File Handling. Change Recent File List Contains to 0 so Photoshop stops tracking recent photos. This removes the visible list going forward. Once done, click OK and restart the app to force the preference to take effect. Make sure you save any work first. This prevents new files from appearing in Home Recent. If you only want to clean the current list without disabling tracking, keep reading for the next steps. Next, clear the existing entries. Open the home screen or file Open Recent to show thumbnails of recent photos. Right-click a thumbnail and choose Remove from Recent to delete single items. Repeat for each unwanted image. For cloud-based photos, switch to Home Cloud Documents, select Documents, and choose Delete or Remove to purge them from your Adobe account list. Once you remove entries here, they vanish from Home and the Recent menu. Make sure you're signed in so cloud changes sync immediately. Finish by restarting Photoshop to confirm the recent photos are gone. If thumbnails reappear, toggle Recent File List to 0 again and restart. Sometimes a second restart clears cached UI state. If problems persist, reset Photoshop preferences by holding Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift on Windows or Command plus Option plus Shift on Mac while launching. Confirm the reset when prompted. Note this resets other preferences, so only do it if necessary. Finally, check Cloud Documents online to ensure no synced copies are repopulating the list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.